Describe parabola. Describe parabola y equals to minus 5x times x minus 2 plus 9 by answering the following questions. Name of the form of equation, general equation of the form, axis of symmetry, vertex, range, and direction of opening. Now I've seen that this form of equation is not so commonly used, and therefore I have taken up this equation here in this video, and I hope that helps you and provides you some additional information. Now this equation minus 5x, and we have kind of factored form here plus 9. Do you see that? So we call this equation as partially factored form. So this is a partial factored form of equation, right? So it's a partial factored form of equation. It's not totally factored, right? Most of the standard equations can be factored like this, and then we can find axis of symmetry by adding these two zeros and dividing by 2. So general equation of this form could be written as y equals to a times x minus p plus q. So that is general form, where at a height of q we'll have kind of two x-intercepts, one at 0, the other one at p, right? Axis of symmetry, as I said, is the mean value between these two, and you see this is always 0, so the axis of symmetry here is p by 2. So we say x equals to p by 2. That is the axis of symmetry for this particular equation. Now to find the vertex, we really have to expand and then calculate the answer for this. It cannot be taken out directly. Now, so to find the vertex, we know vertex for the given equation will be at midway, right? So axis of symmetry for this particular equation is 0 plus 2 divided by 2, which is in this particular case at x equals to 0 plus 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So that is the axis of symmetry. X equals to, let me write here, x equals to 1 is the axis of symmetry for this equation. To find the vertex, we'll have to substitute x equals to 1 and find the value of y, right? So when you substitute x equals to 1, what do you get? Calculate. So y equals to minus 5 times 1, 1 minus 2 plus 9. That gives us minus 5 times minus 1 plus 9. Minus 5 times minus 1 is 5 plus 9 gives us a value of 14, and therefore the vertex will be at 114, correct? And that is how we can calculate. Now range, as you can see, this parabola will open in which direction? This is negative a, and therefore it opens downwards. So direction of opening is downwards. Since the direction of opening is downwards, range will be y belongs to real numbers, so that y is less than equal to the maximum, which is 14. So that is how we can answer this question. Go through it once again and try to understand this partial factored form of the equation. I hope that helps you. Thank you and all the best.